Say a number for wrench to remove the machine head, pull it out, and disconnect the communication cable. Unwrap the coil tubing, remove the plug, and pull out the black communication cable. Use a number 3 wrench to remove the screws at the bottom of the pedal and locate the black communication cable. Use scissors to cut the adhesive tape. Then, unplug the connector to remove the communication cable. Ensure the white end of the communication cable is inserted through the opening in the pedal, leaving about 8 centimeters for later connections. Insert the black end through the rubber plug hole. Use a tool internal calipers to open the plug hole. Finally, the black communication cable reaches the riser opening. Ensure the notches and bumps of the 2 communication cables are aligned, aligning the arrows and inserting them together. Insert the communication cable into the riser. Then connect the communication cables at the pedals according to the color matching. Power on the unit to check for proper operation. Rearrange the wiring, replace the cover, and reinstall the screws on the riser. Finally, adjust the cable glands and convoluted tubing.